Statistic module is very useful when you want to perform different types of calculations related to data analysis or data handling in mathematics. It's a module you can do perform calculations like you may want to find the mean of a list of numbers, or you may want to find the median of a list of number or mode of numbers. Statistic modules is at your hands. So now I have offered my VS Code. The first thing is you have to import the statistic module in order to use it. Now the first function I'm going to show you is the mean, which is used to find the mean of a list of numbers. Here you have to type statistics. Sorry for this. I'll store it in variable mean equal to statistic dot mean, and now inside this it's take an argument, a list as an argument. You have to give the numbers. I will give the numbers here. I want to find mean of these numbers I provided, and then I will find the mean. These are the terms, the mean, the mode, and the medians that are used in the statistic in mathematics. So I will run this program, and here you can see the mean of these numbers is 3.4 that I have given in the form of list. I will comment this out. The next I'm going to show you the function which is used to find the mode of a list of numbers. You can use it to calculate the mode, the most common value in list of numbers. So I will first create a variable and say statistics dot mode. Now you have to give a list as an argument in which you can find the numbers, possible numbers you may want. And now I will find the mode and run this program, and here you can see the mode 1. That's how it works, the mode function you can use. The next function is used to find the median of a list of numbers. So I will create a variable median, and this is the statistic.median, and I'm using revert AI timeline AI, and this give me your suggestion. So now I will print this out, median, and on this program, and here you can see the median is being printed out. So the next function is if you want to find the geometric means of a list of numbers, you can use the geometric means. So I will create a variable gm equal to, and this will be statistics dot geometric mean, and you have to give the list as an argument in which you can specify the numbers, print in gm, and run this program. And here you can see the geometric mean of the numbers I have given in the form list. So that's how it works. You can also find the logarithm for numbers. There is also statistic module offers to find a function to find the logarithm of numbers. I print it, so I see statistics dot log and return the logarithm of a number to the given base. The base, you can also give the base. By default, it return the natural logarithm, the base e of x. So you can say numbers, I want to find the logarithm of 10.85, and you can also give the base. Here I will give the base 10. Now I will run this, and here you can see it finds out the logarithm of the number I gave onto it. That's how you can use the statistic module. I hope you will have enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button. If you want me to make a detailed video on the statistic module, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.